What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Mobilecoin, which has pumped up over 200% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through why has it done a sudden increase, what is next for this crypto. It is currently trading at just over 17 cents and it did hit over 26 cents late last night and did go up about a good 350 to 400% increase. Took a little dip and right now slowly starting to pump up again. So is this a crypto to be getting into right now? Is it way too late? If you're on a profit, should you sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher later on in the year? So essentially we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, what we can expect, and is it a crypto to be investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Mobilecoin, which is here in purple at 22 cents. However, yes guys, the crypto is actually trading at a lower value than the SMA indicator, which is here in green at 17 cents, even after the major pump that's taken place. Reason being is it did go through a major crash, like call it, earlier on in March, about a week ago, as you guys can see here. And right now, even though it has gone up 200%, it is still not where it was about a week or two ago. So we'll be focusing on that as well. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So they are just about slanting towards the negative side, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Mobilecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, which I also agree with. Reason being is, yes, it did go through a crash earlier on in the month. However, it did go through a major increase in value, which means do expect more red candles over the coming hours, taking little dips in value. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit green candles, pump up to about 20 cents approximately, and then slowly start to drop back down below 15 cents in value is where I'm expecting Mobilecoin to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now, looking quite skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Mobilecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case guys. Reason being is the crypto right now has gone for a major increase in value, and especially after the dip that's taken place, I'm expecting it to slowly recover up to around over 25 cents in value is where I'm expecting Mobilecoin to be trading at by the end of next week. So over the next 7 to 8 days, an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Mobilecoin. However, if there are any major updates to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So moving on to the daily chart over the next few weeks, what can we see here now? The blue line is looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, due to the fact of how steep it's looking, it is not realistic. Reason being is the crypto is looking not too great, especially what's happened over the last couple of weeks and months. It has been consistently dropping in value, so I'm expecting it to carry on dropping in value as well. Even though we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, this shouldn't have a major impact on the value of Mobilecoin. So again, what I'm expecting is an overall drop in value from the crypto by mid to late May. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, it should have dropped back down to around 12 to 13 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of May, June as well. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since early last year, guys. So about a year now, we have been dropping quite consistently and heading in, just closer and closer to the lower part of the red zone, and it's still ongoing, and I'm expecting this to carry on over the coming weeks and months as well. So from my predictions, you guys would have noticed I have not invested into the crypto, and I would definitely not be investing into it. Reason being is I'm not expecting it to pump up or break out anytime soon. In fact, I'm expecting it to just keep dropping down in value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone absolutely crazy, over 6,700% up in the last 24 hours, making it over $248 million in trading, guys. So there's a lot more people trading the crypto after the major pump that's taken place, a lot more buyers as well as sellers. However, one advice I would give the buyers is make sure your risk management is on point and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose, especially after the predictions that I have done. If you guys think the crypto is going to do well and you want to invest into it, of course go for it, but I'm just here to give you guys my take and my prediction on the crypto. But let's take it back a little bit. Over the week, it has gone up 72%. However, over the month, even though it has pumped up over 200%, over the month it is still down 54%. So that in itself should tell you guys how much it's dropped in value earlier on in March. And over the year, literally 88% down, guys. Literally just crashed down in value, and I'm not expecting it for it to recover anytime soon. In fact, I'm expecting it to just keep dropping in value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. But if you guys have a different prediction and opinion on the crypto, let me know in the comment section down below. How high or how low are you guys expecting Mobilecoin to go in 2024? As I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.